Next, we are going to see second way of inserting CSS into our document. So I'm creating one file, one.html in my folder, and in this file I'm getting my Emmet code. Now here within body section I'm giving h1 heading 1, h2 heading 2, and h3 is for heading 3. Now internal CSS is given in head section and is defined by style tag, and the style tag has both opening and closing tags. So within head section we'll write style. It has both opening and closing tags, and within this style tag we'll be giving, first of all I want to apply formatting for h1 only. So I have given h1. Here I'm writing color. You can select any color. I'm selecting this color. Then background color, and I'm selecting this color as blurry wood. And third thing I want to give is text align. And I'm giving it center. We are specifically doing it for h1 only because we have written h1 here. So when we'll save it and click on go live, you can see that formatting has been applied on heading 1 tag. Now I want to do it for h2 also. So I can mention comma h2 here. So formatting would be applied both for h1 and h2. Now for h3 I want to apply different formatting. So here in place of h1 and h2 I will be writing h3, and here I'm giving it different color. Blue, and background color is this one. Now here I'm giving right align. Save it and click on go live. So we can see that h3 is right aligned and h1 and h2 are center aligned. So this was internal CSS. Internal CSS is written inside style tag, and that style tag comes inside heading tag.